What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're going to be checking out AMBubbles and AMSnowfoam. Alright guys, so we're going to be looking at these two different shampoos. One is designed to use in a foam cannon, and the other one is designed to use in your bucket. Now these can be used interchangeably, but they do have specific uses. For instance, the AMSnowfoam is designed as a foaming wash that you basically cover your entire vehicle with snow foam, let it dwell, and it breaks down and softens any type of junk on the paint, dirt, grime, maybe bugs, maybe bird bombs, other types of things that might be on your vehicle, softens that stuff up, and then you rinse it away and then continue with your normal wash process. Now you're going to see there's a couple of different ways to do this depending on the vehicle, how bad the condition is on it, and maybe your time frame. So AMBubbles is a luxury car shampoo. Very slick soap. It provides a lot of cushion and foam when you're washing. When you, of course, foam it in your bucket. You can also put this in your foam cannon and it produces a ton of thick soap. But you're going to see how we use it in the bucket, and for very delicate paints, you can use both of these products in conjunction. We'll show you how. So if you want to pick up these products, go to carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 for 20% off of any of these products. I also have links down below. So let's take a look at these products as we work on this vehicle. So we're going to get to using the foam cannon and show you how and why we use the foaming process. And before we even foam down the vehicle, before we even do any washing, this is what we do before that process. So to remove any road grime and soften any of the junk on the paint on the lower panels before we contact wash, we want to do an APC rinse. So spray your dedicated APC or degreaser or road grime remover onto the paint, let it dwell for a few minutes, and then rinse it off. Here we're using AMAPC. It's excellent to use for an APC rinse. Next, after the vehicle is rinsed thoroughly, we're going to use our foam cannon and completely cover the vehicle with snow foam. Now we also like to foam up the bucket for our wheels. You'll see why in a minute. That soap is nice and slick, so let it dwell in the paint for a few minutes as it softens that grime. This is a perfect time to use your soft detail brush and get all of those emblems and tight areas on the vehicle that your wash mitt is really not going to get into and clean effectively. Now with this step, you can choose to rinse the vehicle completely as you see here. Now with our wash process, we're going to put 2 capfuls of AMBubbles in our bucket and foam it up. Now with our vehicle completely rinsed, we're going to foam it up again. Now you can skip this step if you want, but I did it to show that for some delicate paints, you want maximum amount of lubrication and soap on the vehicle. So with this, not only is the vehicle foamed up from the foam cannon, but we're also using AMBubbles foamed up in the bucket. There's no harm in having too much soap on the vehicle. It just ensures a nice slick surface. Now here we're using AM wheels. Now when washing your wheels, it's nice to have the foamed up wheel bucket, and again, it adds lubrication if you're dealing with delicate wheels. Plus, if you're using some certain wheel brushes, you may get some kickback, and this reduces it. So guys, when it comes to any car shampoo, look for high lubricity. And it is nice to have a high foaming soap, but it isn't completely necessary. As long as that soap is extremely slick, that's what you want. And before you even contact wash your vehicle, you want to make sure that you rinse thoroughly and at least do an APC rinse. That's going to get the majority of the dirt and grime and maybe damaged material that might be on the paint, so that when you go to contact washing with a nice high lubricant soap like this, it's going to be much easier and you reduce the risk of dragging anything across the paint. So again, guys, if you want to pick up these products, go to carguysupplies.com. They have a ton of detailing products and tools, and enter code Miranda20 to get 20% off of any of those products. Check out the links down below. So thank you guys for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it or benefit from it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you for watching. Have a great week.